Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw this winter illustration with Aurora lights and use illustration like these to earn easy money using a website called MasterBundles. It is a non-exclusive marketplace for designers. This platform has only 50% commission from your sales and very easy to use. There are many categories that you can cover as a designer and be noticed by thousands of clients because competition here is much lower than on other marketplaces. Every third designer becomes an active vendor and MasterBundles promotes these vendors for free. You can withdraw your profit any day of the month via Payoneer or PayPal after you've earned at least $50. Now let's move to Out Illustration. Create a blank canvas. I'll use 1600 by 2560 pixels. You can use any of these presets, or use exactly same resolution as I am. All other settings here are untouched. To use exactly same colors as me, just paste the hex here. Draw a curved line and hold your stroke to adjust it further. Then fill it completely. Create a layer below, and enable the alpha lock on the first layer, add some pink color around the bottom. And some purple also, but don't cover the pink completely. Now select the bottom layer and draw another curved line. And create one more layer like this in the bottom. Now, hide this layer, then enable alpha lock on the second layer and add colors to it, just like we did to the first layer. Do same with this third layer also. Now, create 3 more hill layers like these in the bottom. Hide the other 2 layers so we can focus on one correctly. Now, create a sketch layer on the top and draw the shape of a pine tree. Create a layer below it and draw the pine tree in 7 different layers. Now enable the alpha lock in all of them. Add the pink color partially. Add the purple. And the blue. Similarly add colors in all other layers. Now, create a clip layer for pine tree, and change its type to multiply, lower the opacity to 50% and duplicate it to all 7 layers of the pine tree. Don't worry, I will lower the opacity. Now use the soft taper brush and add shadow to all the clip layers. Let me quickly lower the opacity of all the clip layers. Now, merge all the clip layers. Pinch the first and last tree layer to group them. Here you can see all of them are right here. Let's flatten them or keep it if you like, it's same as merging. Now use the basic transformation tool to adjust and duplicate the tree. Tap here to create duplicate. And here to flip it horizontally. Drag this duplicate above the third hill layer. The reason I restarted this tool is because I want all the tree in separate layers. Delete this sketch layer, and create another layer below the tree and change its type to multiply. Lower its opacity and duplicate it below all the tree layers. Now, add the tree shadows on all of the layers we just created. For this last tree, we'll have to move the shadow layer above this layer and clip it. It's because the shadow will be casted on this hill layer. Now, except these 2 layers, merge all the layers above, just like we did to the 7 tree layers. After that, create a layer above this layer, and draw some faraway trees on it. Add some here. Erase the bottom part using the Monoline brush. Add some scattered individual trees also. And some here also. Create another layer like it above the bottom layer, and we'll add more trees right here. Create another layer like this in the bottom, and add more trees on the ridges. Create a shadow layer for the trees, change it to multiply and lower its opacity. Draw all the shadows in this very angle on the left side of the hill. And in the middle, shadow will be straight. The shadow angle is completely determined by the light source, in this case it's the moonlight. Create a shadow layer for the trees, change it to multiply and lower its opacity. For the right side, shadows will lean to the right. Create a clip layer for the top layer, change it to multiply and lower its opacity, and draw shadow on it also. Erase the shadow on top of the tree. Erase shadows partially from the right side. Now, create a layer in the bottom and use the gradient tool. Change it to radial and select the highlight colors. Use the soft airbrush and add more color variance to the sky. Create a layer above it and add a moon. Create a clip layer and change it to multiply. Add some texture on the moon, and lower its opacity. Create a clip layer below it, and add some color variance to the moon. Now, duplicate the moon layer and enable the alpha lock on it. Paint it purple. Then disable the alpha lock and add blur filter on it. I'll keep it around 90%. After that, merge all the moon layers together. Create a layer below it, and add stars. Now, use the basic transformation to create duplicates and adjust the position. After you're done, merge both star layers. Now select the top layer and drag the layer panel to the left, then add a filter from here. We will use the grain filter. Make sure that the filter is on the top and unclipped. Add any value you like. Create a layer above the moon layer, and draw a light wave to draw the aurora light. Add some uneven lights in between. Now use the smudge tool to spread the light above. Try to keep it vertically straight but not perfectly straight. Mess up the perfect curved line a little. Add more light near the curves. Now add some light waves with low strength. Enable the alpha lock and add some color variance, especially on the smudge areas. Now, change back the color of main curve line. Lower its opacity and create a layer above it, then increase the strength of light randomly. Now that our illustration is complete, I'll show you how easily you can upload your illustration on MasterBundles. First, go to the website, the link is in the description. Then you need to sign up from here. After that, go to your account, Vendors Cabinet, and add product. Now, first give your product a proper title here. Here you need to add an attractive cover picture that you want people to see. Add some preview images in here. Finally, add the product you want to sell. You'll have to put it inside a zip folder. And in here you can add some guide on how to use your product with image or in YouTube link. You can add all 28 images, but I'm going to skip it. Finally, add one last image preview here. Now, add the product description here. More detail is always better. Add the tags related to your product. Select the category in which your product fall. I'll choose graphic, illustration and Christmas. Now for pricing, use the auto pricing option if you're confused. Let me quickly add the amount manually. Next, tell the type of file of the product. For me, it's PNG. Now, choose the color palette present in the product. And in here select the topics related to the product. Accept the terms and upload it. That's it, it's done. Your product will take some time for moderation, then it will be added to the store soon. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram, links in the description.